Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape yavuna i-DA ekutheni uHlophe angabi yingxenye yekhomishana yezobulungiswa emva kokuthi i-DA iyise lolu daba enkantolo. Abameli bakaHlophe basedlulisile lesi sinqumo bethi uHlophe unelungelo lokuba yilungu le-JSC ngoba uyilungu lephalamende.
The judgment and order of the Western Cape High Court did not set aside Dr. Hlophe's designation as a member of the JSC. That much is common cause. That he remains a member. My learned friend, Mr. Ngalwana, emphasized that point. So he remains a member of the JSC. The only thing that has been interdicted in the interim is for him to attend JSC meetings.
I-DA ithi uHlophe uzama ukusebenzisa umnyango ngemuva ukuze abuyele esikhundleni sakhe sokuba yijaji.
The man we maintain is not fit for the job. There's proof that shows that he isn't. And a political backdoor is not a solution to the problem. He shouldn't even be here to begin with.
Abameli bakhe bathi okushiwo yi-DA akulona iqiniso.
Our case is not, I repeat, not to second guess, attack, criticize, backdoor appeal and so on the decision of the Western Cape High Court.
Isinqumo ngalolu daba sizokhishwa kusasa nge-email.